Most students see three different percentage changes and start panicking with long form math. But on the side, there is a secret weapon, the multiplier method. We are starting with a jacket at a price D. Instead of calculating the price step by step, we're going to build one single expression by treating every change as a single number. So first, October increase of 25%. First, the October hike. We start with the original price, which is 100%, and add 25%. Because 25% is 25 divided by 100, which is 0.25. Now add 1 in it, which will be 1 plus 0.25, giving us the multiplier of 1.25. Now, the November decrease of 20%. In November, we take 20% hit, but we don't multiply by 0.20, we multiply by what's left. Because 20% is 20 divided by 100, which is 0.2. As we decreasing, we subtract 0.2 from 1. 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. That represents the 80% of the price that remains after the discount. So our multiplier is 0.8. In December discount, finally we apply one more 10% discount. Now 1 minus 0.1 leaves us with 0.9. Now we have our full chain of multipliers. Now look at the string of numbers we built. D times 1.25 times 0.8 times 0.9. Here's the sad trick. The test makers love numbers that play well together. If you calculate 1.25 times 0.8, you get exactly 1. Since that part of the equation cancels out to 1, we are left with just D times 0.9. That brings straight to our final answer, 0.9D. That's choice A. No messy scratch work, just clean logic. Like and subscribe for more sad shortcuts.